Hi, welcome to the first episode of our LinkedIn marketing series. I'm Queen Mary James, and today we are diving into the basics of how to sign up and get started on LinkedIn. First things first, let's head over to linkedin.com. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit the sign up button. Great, now let's walk through the sign up process together. Enter your email or your phone number, key in your password, and then hit the agree and join button. After you have entered your information, LinkedIn will ask you to verify your email. So go to your inbox, find the confirmation email, and click on the verification link. Now that you are officially a LinkedIn member, let's explore the dashboard. So this is your command center for all things professional networking. Take a look at the tabs on the left hand side and get familiar with the layout. This is the search tab. You can find and connect with professionals in your industry. You can refine your search using filters like location, industry, and job title, and to discover valuable connections. We'll do a detailed video on how to send connection requests later on. The home tab is like your LinkedIn newsfeed. You can stay updated on the latest posts from your network, from industry leaders, influencers, and companies that you follow. You can engage with the content by liking and commenting and sharing to boost your visibility. Building network is crucial on LinkedIn. So you can use the My Network feature and connect with your colleagues, your classmates, and professionals you know. But remember, personalizing the connection request goes a long way. That wraps up with our quick tour of LinkedIn dashboard. In the next few videos, we'll take a deep dive into each tab. So stay tuned for more and subscribe to our channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Happy networking!